Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your battery drain on Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and go to battery. So we're going into settings, scroll down to battery, and here what we want to do is we want to go to battery usage. So once we are in the battery usage, as you guys can see here, we have all the apps that we've been using, and I do not have many apps here, but as you guys can see, we can click on an app, and here we have manage app battery use. Now we want to detect the apps with the highest usage, and we want to go to manage app battery usage and click don't allow. Now whenever we leave, it will be saved and the app won't run in the background, meaning it will preserve the most battery life and it will stop draining it. Now, of course, the next step is to uninstall some bloatware. So as you guys can see, here we have some games and they are not installed, as you guys can see. So there's little to no bloatware on this device. Of course, if you transferred your data and you have some old apps on your phone that you do not use, you can uninstall them, but as you guys can see, I only have the system apps, so I'm safe. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to install AccuBattery. So let's go over to the Play Store and search for AccuBattery. And here we click on the first one. Now we click on the AccuBattery made by Digibytes. Whenever we click on some Ampere Flow, then it will definitely not be the app we're looking for. So we want to click on AccuBattery. It should install pretty quickly. And as you guys can see, that was no cuts, no nothing, it installed instantly. So now we need to scroll to the right, and here we have the battery design capacity. So the battery design capacity is wrong, and of course we know that we get 5000 milliampere hours, and we're gonna click finish. Now we got our settings saved. And if we don't have any red errors here, just like this one, but this one is that the app may be just killed in the background, so it doesn't really matter. If we don't have any other errors, we can leave the app because we don't need to do anything here. We only installed it to see if we got some errors, and if you do have some, go to the authorized device service center and they will take care of your device. Now what are we going to do is we're going to press on the power button and the volume up button at the same time, tap on restart, and as you guys can see, it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. And now after the restart, if there are still some issues with your battery being drained, then I would recommend contacting the authorized device support center, and there may be an error that user cannot find, and they will probably just fix your battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.